channel. Today we are going to cover current affairs from 22nd June to 28th June. Let's begin with a motivational quote. Tough time don't last. Tough people do. Now we'll move with weekly quiz. First question. USD 1.05 billion approved by World Bank for three projects in which country recently? The answer is Bangladesh. Next question. India Ideas Summit will held with which country? The answer is USA. Which is the India's first firm to hit rupees 11 trillion market cap? The answer is Reliance. 32nd Special Eurasian Group on Combating Money Laundering and Financing of Terrorism Plenary Meeting 2020 organized under which organization? The answer is FATF. Satyabhama portal to promote R&D in mining and mineral sector is launched by Prahlad Joshi. Which day is celebrated as Yoga Day and Music Day? The answer is 21st June. Nikki Punacha is related to which sport? The answer is tennis. In which state Ambu Bachchi Mela is celebrated? The answer is Assam. Next question. Job Guarantee Yojana for urban poor launched by which state? The answer is Jharkhand. Next question. Decarbonizing Transport in India project on June 24 with which institution? The answer is Niti Aayog. Next question. Who will represent India in India-Russia Defence Strategic Partnership Meet? The answer is Rajnath Singh. Next question. Which nation has decided to amend its Citizenship Act? The answer is Nepal. Which Indian has entered the Forbes list of world's top 10 richest people? The answer is Mukesh Ambani. Next question. Who is appointed as the ambassador of Zimbabwe? The answer is Vijay Kanduja. Next question. Senkaku's Island is disputed between Japan and which country? The answer is China. Next question. International Olympic Day is celebrated on which day? The answer is 23rd June. Evariste Ndayishimiye was elected as the president of which country recently? The answer is Burundi. Who is appointed as the Lokayukt of the Gujarat? The answer is Rajesh Shukla. What is the rank of India in World Justice Project Rule of Law Index 2020? First is Denmark. Answer is 69th. Compressed biogas plant at Namakkal. Where is the place located in India? The answer is Tamil Nadu. Next question. Yukti 2 platform launched recently. This is related to Yukti education. United Nations Public Service Day is celebrated on which date? The answer is 23rd June. Next question. Nishita Vidyut Mitra Yojana is started in which state? The answer is Madhya Pradesh. Next question. The world's first yoga university outside India has been launched in which country? The answer is US. Which Union Territory administration has banned use of plastic-made bottles and other items in government offices? The answer is Ladakh. Who has been appointed as the head coach for Uttarakhand team for the forthcoming domestic season? The answer is Wasim Jafar. Next question. Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps has announced that it will set up its permanent military base in which ocean? The answer is Indian Ocean. Next question. Cabinet has approved which airport as the international airport? The answer is Kushinagar. Next question. The Karnataka Bank has launched a new product KBL Micro Mitra for MSMEs recently. Who is the MD and CEO of Karnataka Bank? The answer is Mahabaleshwara MS. Next question. Which state's government has partnered with Reliance Jio TV to educate students during COVID-19 pandemic? The answer is Haryana. Next question. Which international airport becomes the first airport in India to get aviation weather monitoring system at both ends of the runway? The answer is Kempagonda International Airport. Next question. Border Roads Organization BRO constructed bridges Devika and Punena. This is located in which union territory? The answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Next question. Which African country has awarded a contract to NTPC India for the development of 500 MW solar park? The answer is Mali. Next question. Which state government has launched Kapu Nestham scheme to provide financial support to women of Kapu community? The answer is Andhra Pradesh. Next question. Atmanirbhar Uttar Pradesh Rozgar Abhiyan is launched by Narendra Modi. Which bank has approved USD 500 billion to Bangladesh for improving road connectivity? The answer is World Bank. Who is the chairman of the commission formulated in Article 340 of the Constitution to examine the issue of subcategorization of OBCs? The answer is G. Rohini. Next question. Who among the following was named as ambassadors for the 45th edition of Toronto International Film Festival 2020? The answer is Priyanka Chopra and Anurag Kashyap. Next question. Which day is celebrated as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking? The answer is June 26. Next question. Which country will host FIFA Women's World Cup 2023? The answer is Australia and New Zealand. Next question. What is the rank of India in the Swiss National Bank report? The answer is 77. India's first oral vaccine for moderate COVID-19 cases, Favipiravir, is made by which company? The answer is Glenmark. Which is the first Indian company to have $150 billion market capitalization? The answer is Reliance. Which company has acquired Sweden-based mapping company MapleTree? The answer is Facebook. Who has been appointed chairman of the National Institute of Public Finance Policy? The answer is Urjit Patel. Recently, International Yoga Day was observed. It was observed first time in which year? 2015. Which ministry has launched Satyabhama portal to promote research and development? The answer is Ministry of Mines. Next question. Which state or union territory has made 5-day institutional quarantine mandatory for COVID-19 positive patients? The answer is Delhi. World Sickle Cell Day was observed by which organization? The answer is United Nations. China has announced how much tariff exemption for export from Bangladesh? The answer is 97. Next question. China is to join United Nations Arms Trade Treaty when it was come into existence? The answer is 2014. India becomes 12th largest holder of which government securities? The answer is USA. Government has made mandatory to show country of origin of goods on which platform? The answer is GEM, Government of E-Marketplace. Next question. Ashadi Bij is celebrated as New Year for the people of which region? The answer is Kutch. Recently, foundation laid for first Hindu temple in capital of which country? The answer is Pakistan. Friends, thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please share it with your